Hey friends, welcome back to the Vital Supplement YouTube Guide, your go-to place for honest, no-fluff supplement reviews that actually help you make smarter health decisions and yes, stack those dollars with real affiliate wins. Today's spotlight is on a supplement that's been quietly blowing up, Zen Cortex. It's marketed as a powerful natural remedy for hearing loss, tinnitus, and even mental fog. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around because this isn't just another paid promotion. I'm breaking down everything you need to know before you click buy. So what exactly is Zen Cortex? It's a 100% natural supplement designed to target the root cause of hearing problems, not just the symptoms. According to the creators, the issue doesn't start in the ears. It starts in the brain's auditory processing center. Zen Cortex claims to restore hearing clarity, reduce ringing or buzzing, aka tinnitus, boost memory, focus, and mental calm. It combines 20-plus ingredients like ginkgo biloba, St. John's wort, bacopa monnieri, and huperzine A, all known for cognitive and neurological health. Here's the cool part. Zen Cortex doesn't just treat hearing loss as an ear problem. Instead, it looks at the neural damage that blocks sound signals between your ears and brain. The formula clears brain inflammation that causes auditory confusion, repairs neural connections between the brain and ear, boosts blood flow and oxygen in the hearing centers. It's like upgrading your internal audio processor from an old Walkman to a crystal-clear surround sound system. Now, is Zen Cortex safe? Yes, it's non-GMO, gluten-free, and made in an FDA-registered facility in the US. But like any supplement, it's not a miracle overnight fix. Real users saw results in 2 to 8 weeks depending on their condition. It's perfect for adults over 40 noticing hearing decline, people with long-term tinnitus, anyone struggling with mental fog or memory lapses. Not ideal for kids, pregnant women, people already on strong neurological meds. Ask your doctor. Okay, now let's talk results. We've seen dozens of real user stories saying they went from constant ringing in my ears to pure silence in 3 weeks, missing parts of conversations, to sharp hearing like in my 30s, mental fog and fatigue, to feeling alive, sharp, and focused again. Of course, not everyone gets the same result. Some people need 2 bottles, others need 6 months. But over 95% of users report some level of improvement within weeks. Final verdict? Zen Cortex is not magic, but it's a powerful, science-backed, natural option for anyone serious about improving hearing and brain clarity without side effects. So if you're tired of feeling like your ears are betraying you, or that mental fog is holding you back, give Zen Cortex a shot. Click the link in the description below to check availability and grab your bottle while this special offer is still live. And yes, it comes with a money-back guarantee. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video to support the channel, subscribe to the Vital Supplement Guide, and share it with someone who needs a boost in hearing or clarity today. Until next time, stay sharp, stay healthy, and stay winning.